A language cafe is an opportunity for you to come and speak your target language with other people. So it could be native speakers, it could be other learners, and it's also an opportunity for you to share your language with people who might be learning it, so international students, for example. You come into the language cafe, there are loads of tables set up, and each one it indicates the language pairs that are spoken on each table. So you can just go sit down next to someone and start a conversation, or you can get stuck into one of the games that will be on the tables too, to get the interaction going. And basically it's just a great opportunity to develop your speaking skills and make some friends as well, build connections with people who are fellow learners or native speakers of your target language.
It's a more informal way of practicing language. Anyone who studied a language at school before knows that there's a whole world between what you learn in the classroom versus what you use in real life. But I also think that it's good for kind of the other side of language learning, which is meeting new people, learning new cultures, and it's just a chance to practice that and meet people from all over the place.
I actually spoke my very first sentence in Italian at one of these languages cafes, right when I was first year of my undergraduate of French and Italian. And I sat on a table next to a native speaker, and she helped me with the absolute basics, and that was the start of it really. And it really helped me develop my confidence, especially talking to native speakers, so that when I went on my year abroad, I felt like I had the confidence to interact with native speakers, because I'd already had that experience and had the opportunity to speak more natural, have free conversation with other learners and native speakers.
If you're coming to Cardiff to study a language, I'd say absolutely take advantage of the language cafe. It's such an excellent resource to get to practice your speaking and become more natural, more fluent, and it's just a really lovely way to meet other people who are interested in languages and want to practice as well, so you can make some really lovely friends.